So everyone says you can't change your life overnight. But what if Mark Recluse's best-selling book says you can change your life in 30 days? Change your habits, change your life. So yeah, today I will be reviewing 30 days, change your habits, change your life by Mark Recluse. So let's see what's in it. Is that really worth it? Let's understand with my personal experience by reading this. And trust me, this is a beginner friendly book. My fiction reader friend read this and she really liked it. And you might know it's hard to convince your fiction reading friend to read a non-fiction books. I tried my best and she loved it. My god. Begin who is the author. So yeah, she's not just a motivational speaker. She's an author, success coach, consultant who focuses on personal productivity and self-development. Okay. So yeah, before writing this book, she was on he or huh he was in a low point. He lost his job, financially struggling, and realized there was no one coming to rescue. That's right. The only person who can save you is you. I totally agree with that. So he had two choices: keep blaming his circumstances and completely take responsibility of his life. So obviously he chose second and wrote this book. And obviously he experimented and changed his life. So that's how he became the author of 30 Days. Self-help content creator says that you are what you repeatedly do, and I totally agree with this. Like, your habits do make your future. Your habits control what you think, what you act, what you believe in. And genuinely, for example, uh like personal experience I could give is like that. I started working out regularly. So while I was working out regularly, my body automatically asked for healthy food. So healthy food, more water, more, then automatically my choices were like what my body needs, what would make me feel more healthier, more good. So yeah, I only chose one habit, which was working out regularly. That led to eating good food, eating healthy drinkable water, and not just any sodas and etc stuff, and cutting down sugar also. I'm not that eating that much sugar. So yeah, one habit obviously leads to 10 more habits unknowingly, and that's the beauty of habits. So, Mark Reclue has a rule, 30-day rule. Everyone says about 21 days, but he says about 30 days. I'm really sorry for calling him she, but yeah. Huh. Yeah, this book encourages you to consistently do in a habit that would be journaling, walking regularly, working out, just showing up for yourself. And that has no excuses, no skipping days, just relentlessly consistency is the key. Consistency matters more than intensity, mark my words, because those 30 days are the days which decide what your next 300 days would be. Yes. So yeah, and don't be like, he has mentioned many habits in this. What is the count? I don't remember actually. Over than 94 things are mentioned. I'm not saying you to implement all 94 at the same time. Start with 3 or start with 1 once in a month. You never know how much you are gonna apply and how much it's gonna amaze your life. So yeah, and personally, he has also mentioned about morning routines, and morning routines are life changing. It when I it Whenever a self content creator is to see like your morning routines is to decide your tone of your life, I used to not believe in them in straight earlier, but when I started doing it, I genuinely believe Mon- not even morning routines, but your night routines also matters the most as morning routines. Your night routine determines how your next day would be. Yes, the and it is also saying that the way with what emotion you sleep with is that same emotion you wake up with. So I genuinely have started creating joyful moments before my bed. Like, I like reading, I like journaling. I consciously choose to do what gives me joy, gives me uh, more happiness to my inner child, my inner soul. And he has also mentioned about gratitude, and genuinely gratitude changes your perspective. Like just being grateful that I'm breathing, just grateful that I'm able to work out, I have my body, which is my true vessel to live my life. And there was also a quote I recently, uh, a person with a healthy body has thousand problems, but a sick person only has one problem. That is that he can't walk or he's sick, something like that. And genuinely shift my perspective that just because I'm able to walk right and I can do anything in this world, and a person who is sick on the bed, he can't even move, he can't even do anything, bro. And who am I to complain about? Of the key habits that I liked about in it, which I've genuinely practiced, is power of visualization and self-talk and affirmation. I personally do it. I believe in manifestations. I believe in hard work. I believe in taking action for your higher self. So yeah, and I've genuinely the main first habits that I started with this were obviously visualization. I love it. And genuinely, when you see your visualizations come true in 3 4 months, it feels like amazing. Like even I am a vision board person. This is the year. Like last year I made vision board, but not many things came true. But this year I could see, I could sense the feelings that something is coming true. And I don't know, but right now, last week or last month, I had a good feeling that something big is coming for me in December. It's so I have trust that something big is coming up for me in December. I don't know what. And one more habit that I liked about it, taking 100% responsibility of your own life and stop blaming your surroundings. Instead of start chasing it. If that friend is not helping you to grow your higher self, why is she in your life anymore? Bro, just get out. So yeah. And you must have the read popular book Atomic Habits. Even I love that book as much as I love this book. And it also talks about, I guess, compound effect, how everyone talks about compound effect right now in SIP finance gurus. So yeah, it applies both same in the habits too. And compound effect, it's just showing up consistency, and always while uh, actioning your this 30 days habits, 94 habits in your life, always focus on progress, not perfection. If you run behind perfection, trust me, you're gonna be sad. So yeah, personal opinion would be I highly recommend this reading book to, especially to beginners, or especially the ones who want to start, feels like they need a new life. And especially this is, today is 12th November, so it's a great time to read this book. Like a new year is approaching very soon, and yeah, I love this book. I have read this 2 times and I'm looking forward to reread it for the third time. And this let's talk about the strength of this book. Definitely this is an extremely practical book, approachable for beginners, daily action format, positive motivational tool, integrated mindset and habit. But the things I didn't like was it felt like too, some things felt like repetitive, and there was no science back anything. And same, some things I felt like surface level, but it's fine. And yeah, in some parts I felt like it was motivation overload. But yeah, anyways, I love this book for sure. So yeah, the key takeaways of for this key takeaways from this book that I have wrote down are: you are the sum of your daily habits. Focus on small, consistent improvement. Change starts with awareness. You can't improve what you don't observe. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Take full responsibility, your results will depend on you. Visualization and affirmations are tools to reprogram your subconscious mind. Morning routines create structure and discipline. One habit at a time beats multitasking self improvement. For sure. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. You can transform life if you're willing to stay consistent for 30 days. You can transform your life if you're willing to is to stay consistent for 30 days. So yeah, the final thought and conclusion for this: must read for you, must read for our generation who is in the sea of doom scrolling. So yeah, change your life in 30 days by your habits, and your habits do determine your quality of life. So yeah, okay, goodbye. See you in next video. So yeah, I have been doing a book review video after a long time. So yeah, I'm feeling good that I'm showing up for myself, for my higher self. I love that. I love showing up for myself.